Out of Ras General Sound Entertainment Plus at the Spectra. People, are you ready for the Spectra? With Daddy Flex, you ready for me? Watch out one here.
Yeah.
Yo. Bakurundi no watenda wakatfundisa tsumo vakurundi no watenda wakatfundisa tsumo moyo ndichadzichengeta kusvika kumagumo kwandiri tsumo zvombose tsvimbo nemapfumo sezvakanyorwa zvakaita zvicharamba zvirimo
matatekuru
no watenda akatfundisa tsumo nekusingaperi ndodzichamurawo kureva ndokunei kutarisa kurevawo ndoshedzeretsa nditeererawo kana nyama chirembo unge une yetsuro kana paine chiri nani yausarudze chezuro kuramba rutsakara unge une masiviro vanhu vatema tichinje mararami onyaya iyi yakarebesa ngatopedza bhiro andingapedze tsumo zvinotoda masikiro munhu isada zvimunakiri vamwe vanhu vatipo kushasha waro gudo kusinzisa chiuno kuramba pfana unge uine mandara kuramba tsvuku kuona chena yakuramba butu unomukonya yakuramba chidodo alesagare mbama vakuru ndinovatenda vakatfundisa tsumo moyo ndichadzichengeta kusvika kumagumo kwandiri tsumo zvombose tsvimbo nemapfumo sezvakanyorwa zvakaita zvicharamba zvirimo vatatekuru ndovatenda vakatfundisa tsumo nekusingaperi ndodzichamurawo kureva ndokunei kutarisa kurevawo ndoshedzeresa munditeererawo nawana nemoto itsva mikoso nemoto itsva unoredi finifa yacho nemoto itsva sing along no my people nemoto itsva vanamana nike chibharo kusevesa wakarohorwa sataura chokwadi namata zvidhori nemari una kutsemura kutengesa utsvina kusvipira mutsime utsvoda mwemurume zvinokonzeresa chi kuitira muchisi kusabuda pachena chamunozvivandisira chi chakaipa ndotaura kechipiri chakanaka chimbovandiswa ndotaura ini neni ndiri mutadzi ndopfuma ini ndoedza pondogona ndichisiye ini anangaiswe kure kwamwari nemiedzo yasatani nemoto itsva ichona nemoto itsva vakare ndichisimbisa nenyaya yemoto iyi kana uchiba uchiuraya akabata mwana mudiki chibharo kusevesa vakaroorwa sataura chokwadi namata zvidori nemari ona kutsemura kutengesa utsvina kusvipira mutsime
Yeah, me dey fun. Yeah, man.
I bet you don't remember this song.
Yeah, which one?
I bet you don't remember. Ringa matanga bishinga kuvhinga bishinga asashiringa rivazve bishinga asishinga usachkinga bishinga watanga
Wakaviyamba. Yeah, man, me dey fun. Yeah, daddy shoes. Yeah, saka mafanzi angamboti daddy shoes varo vasikubatikira ndikati no, we have to link Spectra, one Spectra daddy shoes.
Yeah, man. Living colors.
Yeah, man. Bless you. Yeah, happy to see you, brethren. Been a while. What you been up to? Yeah.
Jano, I've been signed to a record label. You know?
Yeah, man. Big things.
I'm part of a big brand now.
Yeah, man. Blessings.
Yeah, Ras General Sound.
Ras General Sound. Yeah, where is the record label based?
It's based in Miami, Florida, America. USA.
Big things, man. Big things. Yeah.
So, and the president of the thing, DJ King General.
Yeah, salute and bless.
For years. We've been linking up for years, and recently we just put the thing in a formality and everything signed and sealed.
Yeah, man. Blessings, big things. So if they are to link Spectra, they should have or get your handles, your social handles.
Straight up, man. Yeah. We have our website, man. We have a thing called Ras General Sound Entertainment Plus. That is the mother company.
Okay.
You see me? So Ras General Sound fall under Ras General Sound Entertainment Plus. Yeah. So you just go to rasgeneralsoundentertainmentplus.com.
Yeah.
That is where you see all the services that we have to offer.
Yeah. All the artists and all the releases.
Ras General Sound, a branding company.
Yeah.
You see what I say? We make websites as well.
Oh.
You see me?
Yeah, big things. Big things.
Man.
Big things.
Some of them is just an artist. You don't know, Spectra. He's a sound man. Remember, say me
now from
he's
long
King
time.
Stereo and International.
From long time.
So all of them someday I'll fall under
Yeah.
Sound Entertainment Plus.
Bless up.
See.
A new freestyle thing. You told me say you got some new.
Yeah man. Me don't know everything I go in a Zim dance. No, but from the little use them to the big artists. Them.
Yeah, man.
Me don't know name calling auntie, but I don't know. Yeah,
you know in a name calling.
Yeah man, but let me tell you this man.
Can I put an instrumental
one
or
thing.
just
Hold on, little before we play that instrumental or something to me.
Yeah man.
Me want to just talk about this song where me want to sing right now.
Yeah.
You see me?
Yeah.
Saying because me don't tell you say this part of a brand. So when I speak, I don't speak by what. But yourself. I think I consult other people, my team, and them let me know which is the correct step to take.
Yeah.
You know?
Yeah.
Yeah, and them did give me advice on how to take my thing take my musical thing.
Yeah.
You know?
Yeah.
Yeah man. To take my musical journey.
Yeah.
You know them tell me? Them tell me, Bridging, you have to unify everybody. See? Yeah man. You know? The fans and the artists.
Yeah.
And generally the whole populace, the people, Zimbabwe.
Yeah.
United we stand, my people.
Divided we fall.
Yeah. Fall.
Yeah, man.
Straight up. So you have a think one voice.
One voice.
Yeah, man. play the rhythm. Play the rhythm.
Yeah.
You have a think one voice. You see me?
And it sound like. Yeah.
Yeah, man. Yo. Yeah, so Panawan, I'm a big on bridge, Commander Eta and Baby. Bless up yourself, man.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, we had the brain shell for that one, yeah. Watch your style, yeah.
Yeah.
Hey. Yeah, man. But this one on one voice, the voice of righteousness, the voice of justice and equal rights. One voice, the voice of the voiceless, was that you can curse out your bliss and missing again. One voice, oh, it could have nice if you speak on the members, say blessed are the meek. One voice, one goal, one aim, one planet earth. Jira and Kira, we say one destiny, one man in the joke from Kuatana to Soutatan. The wicked will afterwards from the prophet. You can't cheat no funny. When we look at Barry or a only device and the fifth commander being here, Tatan. You also cheer up. It's a little things in life. Cheer up over power that feeling inside. Cheer up. No let nothing ruin your life. Living your life is your right. Missing again. One voice. The voice of righteousness. The voice of justice.
I'm a big.
Yo.
Yeah.
So you see on the tune, I highlight all the things, man. Me talk about you see some funny things we are going on the internet,
Yeah,
so
man.
me say some man a follow fashion, them a slave in a fetish. Real man no nyam. I mean no that I not release me no next man per interview, for regard as rubbish. So me just a calm you naked. Nobody go and sluggish to see the people unite. No know that I me wish. Me body force and fight. Other them are unleash light up a big spliff. Me know in a them parish. The rumor them a spread and people image them a tarnish. One and them voice. You see me?
One voice. 2025, man.
Straight up,
new thing.
Yo.
General. Yeah, man.
And the tune not done in no general.
That.
My third verse, my love.
Okay.
Let me tell you this. Think of a fire verse.
Okay.
Is it me?
Okay, let's go with it.
The fire verse I go so. Vigilance, I feel unite. Vigilance, I feel unite with the other nation. Spliff as Kufkiaf, HKD in a one session. Fire as a stop. Now cut the distribution. Our property ABX. And the go I am come together from a Rasta government. Means a liar for the people you may represent. Big up the me cabinet of your 19 hour work. Big up the rascal Jaja Blessing Network. And you chill up. One voice. The voice of righteousness. The voice of justice. One voice. I bless them. Yeah.